Welcome back. It's that boy Common Sense Crypto back in the mix. And where there is smoke, there is going to be fire, especially in the case of Moneygram. They're getting a $9 million investment from Brinks. I'm going to venture out and say that we're no longer smoking, that there's a little flame, and it's just waiting to spread and catch the whole thing on fire. And this thing's going to take off. I'm going to have to change my predictions. I mean, I said it was probably going to triple in the near future, but this could go anywhere now. These companies don't invest. You know, they're going to buy. They're buying shares. They're buying some of the outstanding shares. Let's see here. Market purchases of stock equaling approximately 4.95% of MoneyGram's outstanding shares. They're coming in there and picking up a chunk of this company. I think Ripple's still going to have a bigger chunk, and Ripple still has the option to buy another bigger chunk. And all of a sudden, that contract where Ripple can buy shares at $4, it's looking like it's going to be a hell of a bargain after the earnings report. And this may not even make it until Monday at the earnings report. This thing may shoot up just on this news. The thing went to $6 just when Ripple put money in. And now you got Brinks putting $9 million in. This looks like a few people are making plays on MoneyGram trying to acquire it, in my opinion. But I think this is going to be a big deal. Like, if you didn't get in, you're going to regret it type of deal. If we go back to I know the last video I did, I was showing how MoneyGram was around 170 back when it was growing. Imagine if this thing goes back to 170 and you didn't get in at $2. Oh man, it'd just be just a lot of regret. I know I'm kind of concerned now because I don't know that I don't even want to pay my mortgage. I just want to send the money over to the trading to the trading website and just put it all on MoneyGram. I may do something crazy like that now. This stuff is just coming. I mean, I don't even want to make a video about any of this because it just keeps coming and it's going to be outdated or what I feel is incomplete information because there's so much information coming out right now. So let's start with that. Brinks, $9 million investment in MoneyGram. What else we got today? We had MoneyGram. MoneyGram's moving into Singapore. I mean, we've had two today. MoneyGram launches online presence in Singapore. I mean, they're not even going to bother to open storefronts probably. This is going to all be online, and they're moving into Singapore. They're doing it cheaply. It's going to be done with cryptocurrency, obviously. I mean, this thing's about to take off. This is the only company doing this. And in my opinion, that's why these other people are investing in MoneyGram, because it had the footprint, it had the infrastructure. These other companies, there may be a little bit of a battle. Kind of like the cable wars, you know, where the cable companies are fighting over Fox and fighting over Sky and fighting over, you know, if they fought over Time Warner and then they had to split things like that. This could be the same situation. Man, if you're watching my channel, I'm going to say, please, please buy some MoneyGram stock. I don't want to see nobody get left out in the cold, especially when it's only $2. Man, that'd be crazy. Because this is looking like it's going to push up. I'm thinking maybe MoneyGram could return to profitability in 5 years. But with this investment capital coming in, man, they could grow right. They're already growing right now. They could grow all over the world, especially in a digital presence like they're doing in Singapore. Man, that's my message today is this stuff is happening and it's going to happen through MoneyGram. I mean, look at the good news we got with XRP right now. XRP is coming back up to the bottom. You know, in my opinion, XRP was a 30 cent. Is it the 30 cents is the bottom? In my mind, just because of the past history on it. I think we're coming back up to the bottom with the Mexico thing. I don't know why South America loves XRP. I don't, they're bringing in Brazil and all that stuff. I mean, I wish I could make a video about XRP, but there's just so much going on with Moneygram right now that I think Moneygram's going to be the ignition source for XRP, and XRP is going to come right along with it. This is your locomotive. The locomotive is going to pull XRP down the track. XRP needs a use, and MoneyGram gives it a use, makes it valuable. And then you've got, I believe it's called the BitMEX, where now they're trading it. They're shorting XRP, and I mean, all we've seen is XRP go up. I know when it happened with Bitcoin, it kind of went down and back and forth because people were trading it. The problem with it was Bitcoin there wasn't that many trades, so it hurt the price, because people are selling a lot, and waiting to get back in. XRP, man, for whatever reason, they're doing a lot of trading of XRP right now, and it's helped the price. It's helped bring it back up to what I consider its bottom, around 30 cents. And that thing's smoldering too. And I think it's smoldering a lot quicker than I thought it was. I may have to analyze XRP and what's going on with that right now. I'm kind of behind because I mainly focus on MoneyGram, because I know in my heart that MoneyGram is going to carry my XRP wherever I want it to go, or wherever it's going to go. But yeah, that's what I got today. I figured I want to put this out there real quick. You got one day of trading tomorrow. I don't know what I'm going to do. I may just live on ramen noodles. I don't know. This could be the opportunity of a lifetime, and one that you don't want to miss, for sure. $2 a share is unheard of for a company that's about to spread out all over the world. I think it's going to be very regretful if somebody doesn't skip a lunch or something and get some MoneyGram shares. But that's all I got. It's a message I want to spread real quick. Just doing this in one shot. I haven't done a whole lot of research because I did a 20-hour day yesterday. Just brutal. I'm beat up from work. I just wanted to get this out there. Maybe it'll help somebody. We got one more day. I don't know if Monday will be too late. If this thing will, over the weekend, people are going to put money in, I'm sure, with another investment in MoneyGram. I don't think this 247 is going to last over the weekend. But hey, get in it. Like and subscribe, ring the bell. Help my little channel out. I like making these videos because I really believe that this is going to help somebody build their wealth and do good things with their money. But that's all I got. Common Sense Crypto out.